This is one of our turnkey projects of poultry farm. Total 540,000 chickens. The farmer choose our fully automatic laying hen chicken cage equipment. Its design, quality technology are based on European standard, which is fully intelligent and automated. Automatic ventilation system, controlling the temperature at 26 degrees, which is most suitable for chickens to lay eggs. Automatically collecting eggs. Minimize the rate of broken eggs. Our headquarters is in Hong Kong, and we have branches and factories in Ethiopia, Tanzania, Nigeria, and China. Looking forward to working with you. One person manage one house. 60,000 birds per house. Automatically feeding, minimize uneven feeding. Our engineers have been working locally for a long time and can provide local, customized one-stop solutions of poultry farm. Automatically cleaning manure, which greatly reduces the disease rate of laying hens. Belts directly move manure outside houses. We supply turnkey solution. Contact us now too for your poultry farm turnkey plan.